guys, what's up? My name is Destiny, and today I'll be just doing a random video, and I got like 37 views on one of the videos I did. The one video I did was yesterday, and I got 37 views. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for watching that video. That just made my heart glow. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys want to see more challenges, please let me know. And I just wanted to say, like, I'm really, really happy that you guys watched that video. So I got another challenge for you. How do... So... Hang on. Cammy! Want to do a challenge with me?
Challenge?
Challenge.
What's that challenge?
Burping challenge.
Burping challenge?
Yeah.
How was it to burp?
We got that one of the juice out at the back of the fridge. We can use that. We're supposed to drink until our throats are sore, and
Why? Why would I succumb myself to that torture?
I don't know. Why do you even...
Miss Easter Bunny.
Shut up. I'm more like Miss Jingles because I got this. Exactly. Hey!
Oh.
Watch it! Oh my god. Stop.
Are you taking it off?
Because you ruined it.
I
That's
didn't
why.
ruin nothing.
Oh god, Cameron. Just getting the freaking thingy-majiggy. So we're supposed to be drinking these, guys. This. You're gonna take the strawberry kiwi? Alright, the challenge is on. I should... Your throat burns. This tastes gross. It's orange mango. I think this is the worst. Debbie. There you go.
My throat burns. I've drank more than you and I've burped less.
What are you doing? Why are you opening whipped cream? Oh my god, I want to shove that in your face right now. Ew, it's dead.
It's frozen.
It's dead ass frozen.
It's like ice cream.
Oh my god, that is so... Wait. That is so disturbing.
What do you mean disturbing? It's frozen whipped cream.
I don't care, that's disturbing. Dude, I swear, if there's a scorpion here, and we don't know it.
Probably is. It's rock solid.
It's rock science.
Rock solid. I have to chew on.
Oh
cream.
my god, you have to... Oh my god.
Would you like some chewy whipped cream?
I have no words right now. You're just eating it like it's nothing.
Would you like some chewy whipped cream?
No. Oh. Oh my god, you took the whole thing out. Wait, let me try that.
Ew, that sounds so gross.
Oh no. Mm. Mm. We're seriously eating unhealthy right now. Oh my god, look at that. It's so disturbing. So Cameron freaking licked up the whole entire whipped cream and it's just eating it like ice cream, like it's nothing. Oh my god.
What have I done?
Yeah, what have you done? Look at you got freaking whipped cream on your hands and don't touch me. Ew. Ew, I don't want to see that seafood. Mm. Ew. I almost threw up.
Ew.
Oh no.
You see, I put this challenge after half the bottle for a reason.
But I do it all the way.
Why though?
Because I do it for the tube. You boob.
The you boob?
The you.
The you boob?
The you. Some German you boob. No, that's Chinese.
Boob you?
Boob you. What the freak? My screen just turned orange. Like it turned orange for a second.
Two boob?
Two boob.
Two boobs?
Yo, nipples.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. There's more.
What are you doing?
A whole bottle just for you.
Oh. Are you about to throw up?
Some of it went back down up my throat.
Wait, did it go up or down?
Some of it came back up and now my throat hurts.
Oh. The things that I do for the boobs.
You boob.
Oh my god. Anyways, guys, thank you all for watching. And if you guys did, please leave a like, leave a comment, say what you like about the video, and I'll talk to you guys later.
You boob.
And hashtag YouBoo for life. Bye.